Card website tutorial for beginners 2025 step by step. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you the full card website, how it works and all, with a beginner friendly tutorial. So first of all you need to come to the browser and search for card, and after clicking enter, as you can see, the second web link is card.co, and you have to just simply click on here. After clicking on card.co, you have to sign in or sign up for the website. So first of all, choose a starting point, and after clicking on that, as you can see, we have to sign up for this website. To starting point, portfolio section, and just go to card website, choose starting point, login. We'll click on login, and we have to sign up for the website and give our name like Ricky, and provide the email address and create a strong password and send me news and updates. I'll just uncheck it and check I have read and agreed to the terms of use and privacy policy and click on sign up. After that, select the squares with bicycle. If there are none, click skip. I'll click skip, and you have to select traffic lights. So I'll select the traffic lights, and I'm good to go in the website. So let me give you a small description about Card. So Card is a simple, powerful website builder perfect for creating one-page sites, whether it's a portfolio, landing page, resume, link in bio, or business card site. No coding needed. It's fast, mobile friendly, and free to start. Today I'll walk you through how to build a professional website using Card from scratch. So after signing up, you'll come to the dashboard of Card. So once inside, you'll land on your dashboard. So you have to click on new site to start building. So after clicking on new site, Card offers template categorized as profile, landing, portfolio, forms, sectioned, and landing and section multi scroll. Let's start with the blank canvas so you can understand the fundamentals. So start with the blank one, and you are now in card editor, and here you can see on the top left save, top right save, publish and undo or redo button here, and you can also see elements list like text, images, and buttons, etc. And on the bottom, canvas, zoom and preview options. And to add anything, click the plus button, and as you can see, here are multiple options like text, image, video, audio, gallery, timer, list, buttons, links, icons, table, divider. You can add an image here also, and you just have to click here and upload an image. So let's just do that. Upload this image here and accept, and let's build a basic personal portfolio site together now. So click on the plus icon and you can select text, and after selecting the text, you can change the type to heading and enter your name or website title like quote grade, and as you can see, it's already there. And after that, now again click on the plus icon and text. This time make it a subheading heading or tagline like web developer, digital marketer. So let's write a web developer. It's a subheading, and I think you can resize this as it is a subheading or tagline. So I'll just resize it, and after that you can position both using drag and drop, and or adjust with margin and padding in the settings. To change fonts or colors, you can click on the elements. As here you can see, you can change the colors, and after that click the gear icon on the bottom left to access page setting, and click on the page, and here you can choose background like border, drop shadow. It should be also change background. You can change the background and select a solid color gradient or upload a photo here. You can just change the position and all, and under theme quick you can pick font, presets, colors, fonts and presets and the colors, and or switch to dark mode. You can also do that, and you can also see mobile view, and you can give it auto or manual. You can upload your logo by adding an image element. I've already added my logo here as an image and aligning it top, center or left, and you can keep it clean and mobile friendly. And now let's add a button that links to your resume or social media. So first you have to click on plus icon and you have to select buttons from over here. As you can see, the button is integrated, and label it download resume or contact me. So I'll just label it contact me and done. And as you can see, you can also give a URL here as your contact information, and set the URL or link your to a section on the page with hash contact. You can style the button, just border radius, colors. As you can see, background color, labels only. You can also change the colors and appearance, and you can also add icons with the links to Instagram, LinkedIn and GitHub, etc. And now for longer pages, Card lets you stack section by using containers or divider. So create a new section, add a divider. You can add a divider here. As you can see, you can add divider, and after that you can add a container element, insert text or heading like about me. You can just insert a text, and you can write it like about me, about me, and more text for your bio or services. You can repeat to create work testimonials or contact sections. You can anchor buttons to these sections using hash work, hash contact, etc. And to collect leads on messages, you have to click on plus and select the form. Select the form from select the form, and after that a Card's built-in form lets you collect name, email and message, gallery, audio, image, buttons, links, icons, tables, form. As you can see, forms is on pro trial, so I cannot show you right now. You can just click on form, and Cards built-in form lets you collect name, email, message. You can also add checkboxes or drop-downs. You can connect your form to email, default, Zapier or webhooks for advanced users. You can also add MailChimp for newsletter capture. And don't forget to add a submit button with a success message. And you can do the website like for mobile optimization. Card sites are mobile responsive by default, but it's good practice to check. Click the phone icon and see what it looks like, and click phone icon on the bottom bar for mobile preview. Ensure text isn't too large and overlapping, and stack buttons vertically if needed. Use minimal padding and images for faster loading. Click tablet to preview. You can also click tablet to preview and how it looks on iPads and other mid-size devices. And now you can publish your website. You can click on publish from here, and you can choose free subdomain. You can choose free subdomain, public to a card.co URL, and save as offline draft. Description, you can give the description here, title, work, and after that you can select code grave IT, publish the site to card lowercase letters numbers, code grave and .card.co, and it's available. You can click on publish button, and you can also give title, description, and social preview image. For free users, you can get basic features and post and hosting on Card Pro gives you custom domains, forms with integrations, analytics, embedding, Google Fonts, and more. Plans start at $9 per year, which is insanely affordable, and you can just click on publish and it will be published. And let me give you some bonus tips, like you can use templates. Card has 100 plus templates. Duplicate a professional layout and just edit the content. And minimalist is the better, so keep things clean. One focus per section. Use white space and consistent fonts. And you can go to settings, page SEO, and add your title, description, and keywords. This helps Google rank your site. You can empt YouTube or Calendly. Want to empt a YouTube video, Calendly calendar, or Spotify playlist? Use the empt element and paste the HTML or iframe code, and you can add animations with card. So before wrapping up, preview all sections and test all links and buttons. Check spelling and image quality. Make sure your city stands out. Once you're happy, hit publish, copy your link, and share your card site with the world. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope it helped you, and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and stay healthy and happy. So see you in the next video.